So Andre gave us a nice overview there of the DeWalt batteries. You've got your standard XR there. Should we delve into that a little bit more?
Absolutely. So the standard XR 5 amp hour battery has been a staple within our range for a good while now. It runs all our 18 volt tools, and we've got over 250 plus tools within that 18 volt range. It is such a brilliant battery. It's been tried and tested, and we know it works really, really well. So shall we see it in action?
Let's see it in action.
Absolutely. Safety first. So we've got a fully charged battery. I don't know if you can see that it's kind of fully charged. Absolutely. Because no tradesperson does any job without a fully charged battery, do they?
Absolutely not.
All right. So we're using our 3-speed combi drill. We have got the DeWalt 51mm self-feed drill bit as well. So we've got 6x2 timber untreated. So let's drill a couple of holes and see how we perform on that one. So we're using speed 2. Traditionally, you'll use speed 1 on this size drill bit, but we'll use speed 2 and see how we get on.
Fantastic. Let's go.
Are you ready? So we kind of expected that to happen. If you use drills this sort of size holes before, you understand that you need to have a slower speed but more torque. So if I drop that down to speed 1 now, you should be able to see that drill bit now driving all the way through. So I'll start a new hole. So you can see speed 1 now. So as you can see, it's a bit slower, but a lot more power delivered to that drill bit, so you can cut that hole a lot more efficiency.
So it's a very trusty battery, the XR.
Absolutely.
Let's see how it compares to the PowerStack.
Let's do that, because that is going to give you a really good indication of exactly how good that PowerStack battery actually is. So we'll drop that back up to speed 2 just to keep things nice and even. A fully charged PowerStack battery as well, just to keep things even.
Absolutely.
And as you can see, absolutely. And as you can see, PowerStack battery is on the 18 volt platform, so it's going to run all your 18 volt tools. Brilliant. So it's not a matter of having to change your tools just to accept the new battery. It will work on all the chargers. It will work on all your tools as well.
That makes it so much easier on the job as well.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It just helps you kind of increase that productivity side of things.
Exactly.
So same drill bit, same drill, speed 2. Here we go.
Let's see it. You can definitely see the difference in the performance there, can't you?
The proof is in the pudding. Not that I'll be eating that, but you know.
I wouldn't advise it. That's fantastic, Andre. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and we'll get them answered for you as soon as we can.